Hello, everyone! Want to organize your finance and monthly budget? This ultimate wealth building spreadsheet is for you. Step 1. Click the file link you downloaded from Etsy. When the link opens, click Make a Copy to get full access. This will create your own editable version of the file. The spreadsheet you receive is blank, so you can enter all your personal details. For more clarity, read the README section included in the file. Step 2. Go to File, Give Settings, and update your location and time, and this ensures everything works accurately. Step 3. Open the Goal Planner sheet. Add up to 5 goals, and set deadlines by double-clicking the deadline cell. Select your area of life, and once completed, enter the date accomplished. Describe how achieving the goal will look in your life, and define how you'll measure success. You can also add links, notes, or inspiration. Now add up to 10 habits for each goal and list your action steps with deadlines. Click the checkbox when completed. Step 4. Go to Monthly Tracker Category Setup. Add your main categories like income, expense, bills, and savings. These will appear in all monthly tracker sheets as well as annual summary. Step 5. Open any monthly sheet like January. Select the start and end dates. Add your currency on the top left corner. Check the summary section for a quick financial overview. Now select categories from the drop-down. Add expected and real amount. Do same with expenses, bills, and savings. Everything will be calculated automatically. You can see all the details and graphs. Step 6. Go to an annual summary. Monthly budget tracker. Here you can see your entire year's budget in one place. Step 7. Go to finance tracker setup. Set categories for net worth, investments, retirement, debt, and passive income.
Step 8. Open any monthly finance sheet.
View your financial summary at the top. Set your retirement goal and track your progress automatically. Select categories, enter expected and actual values, and let the sheet calculate everything. Step 9. Go to Annual Summary Financial Tracker. See your complete yearly financial progress in one place. Step 10. Finally, go to the dashboard. All your data is visualized with graphs for a clear overview of your finances. All calculations are automatic. Just enter the correct amounts to avoid errors. That's it. This spreadsheet makes managing your money simple, organized, and powerful. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want this planner, check the link in the comments. See you in the next video.